Uh-oh. I didn't get a chance to wake up, get out. Oh, that's loud. That's evil. God dang. Sneaky looking dude, oh my god, look at that. That's weird. Uh-oh. Can't see. I sound out of it because I woke up 2 minutes ago. Mom woke me up. God. That flashed me. Oh my god, what the what? What are you doing? Oh my god. It's just going, it's like it's going circles around my head. The wind noise. I just realized that cloud. It's green. Can't see it on the camera. But it's green. Please chill out. There it goes again. It gets really gnarly over there every so often. Here's the rain. There's a nice bolt right there that I missed. Sounds like somebody turned on a hose. Frickin'. What was that? Who said that? I don't know, man. Who said that? God. It's misting. I am barely recording this on a battery. Goodbye. Woo, shit. God. outside, dude. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh crap, dude. Woo! Ugh. Oh jeez. It's all over again. Oh. Screw you! Oh, are you kidding me? Whoa! Air conditioning. Oh.
It came back on.
Oh, shit. Whoa. Settle out. Glad I turned mine off. Oh my god. Oh! I tried to hold it. But it came out instead.
What is it?
Crap.
Crap?
Nah. Are you kidding me?
You can tell there.
Okay. I'm doing this for a graphic novel representation. No. Shit. I lost my camera. Oh no. I'm freezing. My pants, dude. Come on. Pants. That got still. That got really still. I'm cold, dude. Ugh. What the hell was that? I really hope this isn't the quickest, quick wind video I've ever done. I hope not. Drains having issues. I'm cold. I'm not going in right now. Whoa. Sheets of rain. God, this year got violent quick. Freaking no speak, no slave. Chill the hell out. Ugh, it's sagging. My teeth are chattering. And now the rain's going this way. It's clear sky right there. Wiped off my camera. I have a feeling we're going to see a rainbow in a minute. I have a feeling. Wow! Settle out. Settle out, yep. Now settle down, settle out. I should do a mailbox restoration. Look how clear it is. Wow. There is my hair. Yeah, I'm not surprised that my hair's on the door. The storm probably plucked it out of my head. Or like yanked it out of my head or something. Broke it out of my head. That storm was like Blue Sky Studios. No. Getting lighter, getting lighter. I gotta look around and look at damage after this one. That's still there, barely. It's crooked now. Okay, so let's chill the hell out now. There's a chunk taken out of that tree. Well, that says a lot. I think it was like that before, but it's just bent out of shape now. God dang it. That smells weird. It smells like the old park we used to go to. There's those weird evaporation spirits again. I gotta take a picture. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. My freaking windscreen is falling off. Not shocking. We got this thing here. I'm gonna be honest. That was only about 15 minutes of chaos right there. It's not even raining anymore. This pavement is like a freaking sauna. Shit. Doesn't look like. Doesn't look like much. Uh-oh. Dead crap. There's gonna be a lot of dead stuff on all of these trees someday because half the leaves are gone. This one's fine, but those two, nope, they had a stroke. I have some certain speaking pattern and I need to stop. Why? Because I'm getting tired of it. There you go. Is that still there? Yeah, focus on a bunch of circles. Aha, yeah. That dead one's still there. Well, I'm gonna go walk back. It's like nothing even tried itself. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'm probably gonna go back to bed now. That was crazy. And I hope I'm not posting this late. God.